So we're here at Wood Wonders Cabinet Shop today, and we're gonna show you how to use a jig to put handles that will save you a lot of time. And this jig, what it shows you, it comes with your 5mm tip. It has an adjustment so you can slide it up and down, sideways for doors and handles. And we're gonna show you how to use this thing right now in a minute. So let's find all the stuff that comes with this. So here on the package, it comes with the bit, the Allen wrenches to adjust it, to tie it up. This is your adjustment for the bit. That way you don't go through the drill front if you don't need to. So we're gonna show you all the pieces that comes here on this jig. Adjustments. It's pieces of the template to use. As you see, it has a lot of pieces that is really nice that it comes with. Sliding jig. More adapters that comes with it. And it also comes with a puncher. This is really handy when you want to do hinges, stuff like that. Press it and it punches into your wood. Alrighty. Then we're gonna start putting it together. And the best part of all, it comes with a nice case that you could put it back. That way it doesn't get damaged on you. You don't have to be dragging it everywhere on a bag. Put it back in the box and it's nice. So this is the first piece, a thicker piece that goes into the jig to slide in your height of your handles. And so you're gonna set it up like this. This will give you the height and you tie it up here. After that, you slide this piece here. Unscrew your screw to slide it over. Goes like that. And this adapters go. Alright, so we got the jig set up to use. So this adjustment will determine the height of your handle. You can slide it up or down wherever you need to. If you want to put it in the center, you measure, mark your center line with the tape. Then you tie it up right there. So the best thing about this jig is this is so you can keep consistency on your handle. So you can keep every single one of them drill at the same spot every time you do it. So now before doing it on your actual door or door frame, we're gonna test it on a piece of scrap. We got our center. So this piece measures 25, so that half is 12 and a half. It's 6 3/4 on the height, which will be 3 3/8. So we'll put our jig at 3 3/8, which is there. And you can double check it when you get it closer right there to see if it's on your center line. It has those lines. So it's pretty close. And this, you can see the center through here that I marked. So we're right there. And the other important thing, this we marked to have the center, so it's easier for you to, if you're not a professional, you can find the center right away, which does the center like this. And we got our jig right there that we're gonna adjust. If you don't have a clamp, you could just, remove the clamp. You can hold it tight, make sure it doesn't move on you. Now we have our bit ready, and it has this adjustment for the 5mm bit that it comes with. And this jig, if it's right with the tip of the drill bit, if you go slow, that way you don't splinter your wood, you just go slow to drill. Now we're gonna get the screws to tie up the handle. All right, as you see, the handle's on. So the handle center and it's on.
Hope you guys enjoy the video.